In primetime news this evening, demolition job. Work crews tear down properties illegally built in Clifton, St. Catherine.
We were tricked. Some residents say they paid over individuals who claimed they were selling lands in Clifton.
And the second day of protest in Guys Hill, St. Catherine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, there have been talks about a global recession. But how are things here in Jamaica? The finance minister gives an update.
Or thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen. She's here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Karen?
Well, thanks very much, Herman. Well, it's just over a week to go before the T20 World Cup qualifiers, and the West Indies are on the hunt for a series-leveling victory against the mighty Aussies. They tackle them Friday morning, Jamaica time in Brisbane.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what should be done regarding residents who had properties demolished in Clifton, St. Catherine today?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.